Hello everyone, I just want to thank everyone for all the comments that you're posting on my videos and subscribing. It means a lot to me. I'm just doing this just for the fun of it, really. And I didn't realize that it would keep growing so fast. So I appreciate everybody to share, like, and subscribe to all my videos. And again, thank you for your support and your great comments that I read every day. Thank you. Hello everyone. Today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my own marinara sauce from ordinary tomato paste with some extra ingredients, and I'm also going to show you how I make spaghetti in the microwave. Very easy, and it doesn't come out mushy, and it only takes about less than 13 minutes. So first, I'm going to go ahead and fill this up. You need a microwavable bowl. Just fill the water up, like about a half an inch above the pasta. Just like that. Add a little bit of olive oil. Put a little plate on the bottom of the microwave and cover the top. Cook it on high for 9 minutes. While that's cooking, I am going to show you how I do my marinara sauce. Alright, so now I got that in the microwave. I'm going to take my paste, put it in a little mixing bowl. Normally I would use a regular saucepan, but I'm trying to do this easy, quick, without making too much of a mess. And normally I would just warm it on the burner. Right. Now what I'm going to do is fill this thing up 3 times with water. And just to get it started, I'm going to mix it up a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to add some seasoning to it. Add a little bit of touch of salt. I'm going to add a touch of pepper. Sprinkle a bit of garlic powder. Onion powder. Add a couple different types of seasoning. This is nature's seasoning. Put these up. I'm going to add a little bit of oregano. And some Italian seasoning. Also, just a pinch of sugar. And you want to watch the pasta in the microwave. Make sure the water's not boiling over, just kind of stop it every now and then and let it start back up again. Yeah, it's a little water here, but that's okay. It's perfect for what I want to use it. And so let's come on. Oh, almost forgot one thing. A little bit of Parmesan cheese. Just follow me over to the stove here. Okay, you see the pasta now boiling over. That means it might be just about ready. And with only a minute and 45 seconds left, I'm going to go ahead and check it. So the pasta is definitely ready. Just need to, it's not much, just need to drain out the excess water. I'll be right back. Okay, so I poured the sauce into the bowl with the pasta, emptied the water, excess water, stir it up a little, and then put it back in the microwave oven for another minute and 30 seconds, and it'll be done. And now the finished product. This is what it looks like. Get it a little bit more some Parmesan cheese to it and give it a little whirl here. Delicious. Ready to serve. It only took 10.5 minutes. It's that easy. Alright, thanks a lot for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.